Municipal solid waste composting machine. This is mechanical composting machine. This is used as mechanical solid waste treatment machine. This is used to convert wet solid waste into biodegradable manure by mixing, chopping and culturing process. This machine we manufacture in three sizes with 75 liter that is 30 kg, 150 liter that is 60 kg per batch and 300 liter that is 120 kg per batch. This has horizontal stationary cylinder attached with powered plough for mixing waste, and other part is chopping blades driven by high speed motor. Opening and filling of the solid waste is done from the top and unloading of the manure is done from the bottom gearbox and door mechanism. Following is procedure to operate the machine. How to start machine, how to load the machine, how to run the machine and how to unload the machine. First step, check the three-phase connection with neutral earthing duly connected. Fix the top lid so that the limit switch is in NC position. Put the main switch on. Put the main MCB on. Check RYB lamps are glowing and the overload relay red lamps are not glowing. Shift the selector switch on manual mode and press the green button to start the machine and check the direction of the plough in clockwise direction. Reference to the operator is standing in front of the control panel. If not, interchange one pair of the three phase in the main cable and again check. Check the bottom lid is closed. Load the waste and appropriate amount of bagasse or wood sawdust. Then start the machine in manual mode for 1 minute. Add additional bagasse, solid dust and culture. Set the selector switch on auto mode and set the timer for 5 minutes for the first load. Start the machine. When machine stops, unload the manure from the machine by rotating handwheel in anti-clockwise direction for 3 turns and start the machine in manual mode so that for some time see that all the mixture that is manure is unloaded.